way to New Smyrna Beach. There's apparently a beach that's on the dunes there that's pet friendly for dogs. So we're hoping to get away there, go experience that. This will be Wanell's first time to the beach. Of course, Aiden is a seasoned veteran. Are you excited, Wanell? So the dunes makes me think there's probably going to be some armadillos. Hey, it sounded like the monkey might have woke up. What do you say, monkey? Yeah, might have woke up. What about Fuzzball? Fuzzball's been our backseat driver the whole way. He's got such a foul mouth. If he sees a police officer by the road, you go, watch out. The language that little itty bitty Bigfoot emits. I don't know what happened with him and the police, but yeah, he does have a foul mouth when it comes to those guys. Anyway, we'll see you on the flip side.